Good job, and you're improving heaps in your maths. Now remember, you have homework this week, and your homework is to go into the real world and discover where maths is being used and making everything possible.
I know where hairdressers have to use maths. They have to cut the hair at a 45-degree angle so that it drops with all the other strands.
Another way they use maths is when they're mixing the colours for the customers. They have to mix the right ratio or the customers won't be happy with the colour that they get.
Retail uses maths so they know that they're giving and getting the right amount of money. They also have to sell items at a profitable price.
Wages and banking are other forms of maths used in retail.
Oh yeah.
Let's cross the road.
Traffic lights need a lot of engineering and mathematics in order to keep traffic under control.
They need to know how long cars have waited for. A car will trigger a sensor and it sends a message to the lights to start a timer.
Shawnee!
Sorry, but I thought maths is used here. Mathematics is used everywhere in the mines to solve problems and to make coal productions as safe as possible.
One area is building ramps. Trucks that are at the top of the mine need to have a ramp built so they can get to the bottom of the pit.
Engineers use trigonometry to solve this problem.
All ramps at a mine site are to be inclined at a 5.71 degree with the horizontal. For example, if the wall is 13 metres high, we would be able to use trigonometry to find out how far the foot of the ramp must be.
Label the sides of the triangle: the hypotenuse, the opposite, and the adjacent. The adjacent side is the side we're trying to find, so we'll call it x. Because we have the opposite and the adjacent side, we will use the tan ratio. Tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. So tan 5.71 equals 13 over x. Because x is on the bottom, we will bring it over this side and times. That gives us x tan 5.71 equals 13. Now we want to find x by itself, so we are going to take tan 5.71 to the other side and divide. It's us 13 over tan 5.71. So that gives us 130 metres for the base of our ramp.
The ramp needs to be 50 metres wide so that two trucks can pass each other safely.
To find the volume of dirt needed to make the ramp, we need to use the formula V equals AH. To do this, we need to first find the area of the triangle face. We'll use the formula A equals half base times height, which equals half times 130 times 13, which equals 845 metres squared.
We use the area amount to find the total volume of dirt required to build the ramp.
This gives us a total of 42,250 metres cubed of dirt.
These are some areas where maths is used in the real world.